Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of the Wellness Connection. I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And I'm Michelle LeMay. And it's October! Yay! Time to wear orange and green, because then you look like a pumpkin. And it's a good month to make pumpkin-y treats.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, absolutely.
But treats aren't only just made with pumpkins.
No, there's more treats than just pumpkin treats.
You can use butternut squash.
Yes.
And you can also use acorn squash. And that's what we've done for you this week is we've prepared 2 recipes using an acorn squash. One for really nice roasted soup, and
Yes.
the other is the seeds, roasting the seeds. Now you don't want to throw those seeds away in a pumpkin or an acorn squash.
No, because there's good nutrition in the seeds, and we'll talk about that later.
Yes, exactly. So, all right, we're gonna cut to the videos and we'll do some taste testing when we're done.
See you soon.
All right, we are back and we're ready to taste test. So, do you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Yeah,
So,
you go first.
I've got the soup right here. So just real quick, acorn squash, it's really high in vitamin C complex, magnesium, and vitamin B6. So again, these are some really good nutrients that your body really needs. Of course, it's good.
Yes. Oh, it's perfect time of year for that. And I'm going to try my favorite, which it is totally my favorite, and that's the roasted seeds. And I put tons of my rosemary, garlic, thyme, pink Himalayan salt on there.
And just, you know, the seeds from pumpkins and also squashes, again, especially like acorn squash here, it's high in zinc. And why is zinc good for you, Michelle?
Well, as much as I'd like to keep eating this is really hard because these are so good. Zinc is really important. A lot of people know that zinc is important for your immune system. But
Yes.
there's over 200 different processes in your body that zinc is required for. And that is your immune system, it's your heart and cardiovascular system, skin and wound healing.
Also, digestion.
Digestion, absorption.
Like what we're doing right now.
Yeah, absorption of minerals. Anyway, there's a whole bunch. That's why we actually test people for zinc at our office.
Yeah.
So we want to see, do people have enough zinc?
So this is a great way of getting zinc into your diet.
Oh, good. I'm doing a good thing for my body.
And it's especially good for you guys. You need more zinc than women do.
So anyway, we hope you enjoy those. Please be sure to give us a like and maybe share with us your favorite pumpkin squash recipes in the comments below. We'd love to learn from you guys. Maybe we'll turn one into a video.
Yeah, any of your fall recipes that you really like.
So anyway, so be sure to like and subscribe.
Yes.
And then what should they turn on so they don't miss our videos?
The subscription bell.
The notification
bell.
The
That's
notification
the one.
bell, yes, so that they get notified every week at least that we've got a new video for them.
Yep.
But we've hopefully brought a lot of value to you.
So that's it for this week. We'll see you next week on the Wellness Connection. I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And I'm Michelle LeMay.
And she wants to keep on eating her seeds. So see you next week.
Bye. Okay. Got to do something funny at the end.
Yep, exactly.